Hello guys, good evening guys. All right, today we want to continue from where we stopped in our previous videos. But before we continue, I would love you guys to like, subscribe and share this very video. All right, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this channel we learn you how to make money online. All right, we want to see continue how to make 60, 80, $100 daily from Adsterra using direct link through Facebook groups. Now, with this very method, I'm assuring you that you're making your daily 60, 80, or $100 daily if you are consistent with the method. It's very simple and straightforward. All right, let's dive in. All right, as you can see my dashboard, I'm very busy these days. Yes, I'm very busy these days. That's why I couldn't be able to send traffic. But before next week, as we move into March down, I will be able to send some traffic. Then I will also come up with another video on how to use still Facebook to drive traffic to your website. Now, if you look into my impressions, which we should not check into the clicks and the CTR. The CTR means click-through rate and the CPM. Now I'm using only direct link. I'm working with only direct link. Now by the time I move with website traffic, you see changes, and the change now show as in the place of click and CTR. Okay, now let's move into the real method of the day. But before we now move, let me explain some few things before we now move. Now, working with direct link, you have to also work with what? With link shorteners, with top link shorteners. Yes. Now, link shortener here, the purpose of link shortener is to help you make the link look attractive to the audience that will take action on your link. Because if you check, let us move into direct link section. If you check this link, let's assume we copy this link. Then we now come to our notepad. Let's move into our notepad. Let's move into our notepad. All right, let's assume we paste this link. As you can see, this link now is very raw and ugly, very raw and ugly. You can see the link, very raw and ugly. But with the application of direct of link shortener, you can shorten the link and make the link look nice. Let us minimize this. Let's go to our link shortener. We have many link shortener sites that is free, which will not pay any dime. All are free. Let's start with our Q. As you can see, it is spelled qrcd.org. Let's move into the site. Let's wait for a while. It's load. All right, now at this very point, I said which I said enter the long URL. This way we now come and paste your direct link. I've seen it. That your the direct link, that link that you will copy in your Adsterra account here. This the delivery link. Then we should now come here and paste it here, and click on this very button that says shorten. Wait for a while. You copy this link. Hasn't it? That link that you copy now. Let's still move to our notepad. Let's still come to our notepad. Now, if you check this link critically, let's paste it. Now, this link that we shorten and this long link, they are not the same. This one is very nice and simple. in the eyes of the audience. In the eyes of the audience. All right, by the time you have shortened this now, you can just copy this link like this, or shorten the link like this. Then you now go to your groups and start throwing the link. Now, since like me, based on my niche I'm working, in Facebook there are many niches that you can use and drive traffic from Facebook. Like I myself, I'm working with movies niche. I'm working with movies niche. With movies niche, you can drive billions, thousands daily impression out of those audience. Now it's very simple. It's a very simple strategies. But what I would love you to do is not something that you do it today, then leave it for like 3 or 4 days. What I want you guys to do is consistency. Now, what I mean by consistency is that you do it at every given time, at your spare time, anytime that you have time, you do it. You post it consistently, 2 times in a day, 2 times in a day, or 3 times in a day, based on your time limit. Now, but if you are consistent in a couple of weeks, you start seeing effective results. All right, let's dive in there. Let's move to our. Let's go to our Facebook. Let's go to our Facebook. Then we should now move to our groups. Let's move to our groups. Groups. Let's move to our groups. Now let us check. Here now is a groups. Let's move down here. Now, if you check here critically, you see people post, people work. You check this work now, is people work, someone work. What only that you do now? Maybe you can copy this caption. If you love this caption, you can copy this caption. You should copy everything here. You copy it. Then you now come to your notepad or your note in your phone and save it and paste it. Let's paste it. I've seen it. So what you do here is that you find a way to remove this person working link. Maybe that person is promoting his website or also a direct link. I don't know. Now you now come to your own now. You select your own. You copy it. That's Control C. Then you now come here. You select this. You select this. You do what? You paste. Now after you paste this finish, you copy everything here. You right click, you copy. Then you now move to that same group again. Now you check an image or picture of the actor or the actress of this very group. Now if you check this group, the name of this group, it is not as what? It is called Dimate. The name of the group is not as what? Dimate or is not a Dimate or Diseme. So now what you check this picture critically to understand the image. So what you need to do is to go back to the group. You can tap in here. You can tap in here. Now, if you love this picture, any picture that you see here now that you love, let's assume you love this very picture, you like this very picture. Now click on save this image. Save image. We save this image. Let's assume we save it here as Dmates. You save. All right, after I have saved this picture, let's go back to the group. Come back to the group. Now at this point I said write something. Now we tap your come to this photo. You find that image that we save. Here's the image. You now open it. Now you put that caption that we copy here in our notepad. This caption that we copy in our notepad, we come to this environment. You right click, you paste. Now what is the next step? You post or you publish it. Then at this point now, I would love you to share it. Share it. Continue what you are doing it. As in it, this is the post that we publish. This is the post that we publish. This is the post that we publish. On our next video, I will show you more and more strategy that for you to overcome maybe like post removal or post decline. At this point, I would love you to watch the video, subscribe to the video, to the channel, share the video, write comment it at the comment section. We will reply you. If you have any problem, if you put the strategies and you don't see result, put it there at the comment section of this very video. We will reply you. Thank you very much.